How to change PNG image color using Fusion in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a PNG icon to my timeline and I want to change its color in the Fusion page. First, delete the image from timeline. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop a Fusion composition into timeline. Move the playhead above the Fusion composition, select it, and open the Fusion page. Open Media Pool and drag the PNG into the composition. Now open up Effects panel, click on Tools, and search for bitmap. Drag a bitmap into nodes. Also, drag a background node as well. Now connect them to each other and to the media out. Now click on background node and in the inspector, change its color to the color you want. Now the icon color is changed and we can go to the edit page and use it. Select the composition and change its size and position in the inspector. Also, we can move the composition into the media pool and use it later. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.